Hi everyone, welcome back to the Puttering Penman. Today I'm going to do a very quick video showing you how to disassemble a platinum converter. So I think platinum makes probably the best converter available today. It's got a large ink capacity. The piston mechanism also works really nicely, but every now and then as I use it, especially because like it goes with the preppy where you can use like permanent inks and things like that, I want to clean it out more thoroughly. Also, sometimes the piston gets a little bit harder to push. So the easy way to fix it, you can just unscrew the converter. So basically, you're going to hold this metal part, hold the plastic part, and you unscrew. You'll see the piston going, at least it looks like it's going up. Yeah, it's definitely going up. So when that happens, just twist the piston back down, keep unscrewing, and then eventually this metal collar comes off. Then you can just slide the piston out. So then you can clean this off. Often the reason that the piston sort of sticks in here is because like water gets in the way. So you can, I can't really fit a Q-tip in here, you can try. But you can just get a paper towel in there and clean it out. But really that's not necessary. What I usually do is just dab a paper towel back here to get any water that's got sort of in between the piston and the plastic. And then like it's like, you know, basically slides a lot easier then. I don't even like add silicone grease or anything like that. So then to reassemble it, you can see that there's some little grooves here. It's not like a completely round circle on this piece, and there are grooves on this plastic. You want to line those up. So I'm gonna try to do it so you can see it. Yeah, so there the grooves going in. There you go. Okay, so I've got this back on. Then you just do the same thing you did in reverse. So now I'm just gonna screw the metal piece back in and then test it out. There you go. Good to go. You know, nice and clean, nice and dry. Stick it back in the pen. Get the pen body back on. And you're good to go. And I think that is one reason why Platinum's converters are, you know, the best available right now. Okay, thanks so much. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.